Maneira de viver se num bom cristão, maneira de salvar-nos situação. Sou para mim esse mundo.
Pura vida and welcome.
Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Donna. Welcome to Playa, Nicuesa Rainforest Lodge, our jungle home and lodge.
Maneira de salvar-nos situação.
Playa Nicuesa's unique location and eco-friendly craftsmanship offers an intimate and unparalleled experience with nature. Our 1- and 2-bedroom cabins and guest house rooms are uniquely designed to create a seamless and enjoyable transition between indoors and outdoors. Playa Nicuesa is located in the southern zone of Costa Rica's Golfo Dulce, also peninsula area. Considered by National Geographic as one of the most biologically diverse places on Earth. Because we are accessible only by boat, and there is no development for miles and miles, we ensure privacy and nature at its best and most pristine. Built on a 165-acre tropical coastal rainforest preserve, what makes Nicuesa truly amazing and unique is that our location allows you to enjoy either a jungle or water adventure at a moment's notice. Our front yard is literally the calm waters of the Golfo Dulce, and our backyard is thousands of acres of pristine jungle of the Piedras Blancas National Park. We combine the beauty of the natural surroundings with the comfort and hospitality of a high-end lodge. Treat yourself to a massage in the privacy of your cabin. Enjoy a yoga class with our in-house instructor in the amazing open-air lodge. At Playa Nicuesa, we make it easy to relax and enjoy.
Pargo, en salsa de especies, muy natural de todas las especies que hay aquí en el hotel.
Red snapper cooked in the spices from our garden, in the oven, and freshly caught this morning by Tomas. Off the kayak with a hand line.
We embrace environmental conservation and harmony with nature through our organic design, locally inspired cuisine, and tours of the area's amazing jungle and waters, making for a truly authentic Costa Rican experience.
Heaven on earth.
Definitely enjoyable. Wish I could stay longer.
It's exciting to go to bed and it's exciting to get up in the morning. It's just a cool place.
Hola.